I knew when I retired a few years ago that since my wife was still working, I was going to have to take over some of the housework. And that didn't really bother me because I'd done laundry and cooking and cleaning before. But what I didn't realize was just how many hours that was going to take. And this was a problem because I realized there were other things that I wanted to do. So I needed a solution. One that would give me time to do the things that I wanted to do. And then it hit me. It was only a lot of work if there was one of me. If there were more of me, it'd be easier. So I think I've come up with a workable solution. Now, I had to draw on my career experience, both from my military career and private sector career, because I learned valuable lessons in both. The first is the importance of teamwork. All right, fellas, let's go. So I needed a team to help me. And sure, individuals can accomplish great things, but a good team with good leadership working together, well, the possibilities are endless. Another lesson I picked up along the way is to work smarter, not harder. And all that goes into taking care of a house, that's a lot of work, and props to anyone out there who has to do it. I needed to take a smarter approach to all of that hard work. Of course, you're going to need some equipment and a basic understanding of cloning or advanced robotics, but now the housework gets done, my wife is happy, and I still have time to do the important things that I want to do. I think it's a win-win, because at the end of the day, it's only a lot of work if you do it all yourself. Thanks, fellas.